Hello! Let's learn some colors. Light blue color, dark green color, light green color, purple color, violet color, red color, brown color, orange color. Let's learn the alphabets. Capital letter, small letter. Red color. A. A for apple. A. A for ant. Violet color. B. B for ball. B. B for banana. Purple color. C. C for cat. C for cap. Yellow color. D. D for doll. D for dog. Black color. E. E for elephant. E for egg. Light blue color. F. F for flower. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for grape. G. G for goat. Violet color. H. H for horse. H for hat. Light blue color. I. I for eyes. I for insect. Black color. J. J for juice. J for jug. Yellow color. K. K for king. K for kite. Dark green color. L. L for lion. L. L for lychee. Violet color. M. M for mango. M. M for moon. Black color. N. N for net. N for nuts. Dark blue color. O. O for orange. O. O for ox. Red color. P. P for pen. P. P for parrot. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. Light blue color. R. R for rose. R for green. Violet color. S. S for sun. S for sheep. Red color. T. T for tiger. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Light green color. V. V for violin. V for van. Black color. W. W for watch. W for wax. Yellow color. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Dark blue color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yum. Light green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for Jew. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.